Kazakh Invest, connecting you to opportunity.
With the help of the Belt and Road Initiative, Kazakhstan became the center of the biggest markets of the world. It's European Union, it's Chinese market, and 70% of these oldest roads pass through Kazakhstan. According to the FDI magazine of the Financial Times, it is the #1 cost-effective country in the world for the manufacturing. Kazakh Invest is a one-stop shop for all the investors to Kazakhstan. Kazakh Invest helps investors from the preparation of the projects all the way until they open their manufacturing in Kazakhstan. So this is the government helping all the investors, one face, one company. We have the best investment climates in the region, and we guarantee the safety of the investment.
Kazakh Invest,